It is September 13th, 7 in the morning. We are out here at round 3 of the AZOP race. Gonna get ready for practice here in the next hour. And we have about 5 hours of sleep. Rolled in here at 1 in the morning. Long day, already tired, but excited to see if we get up into any of these trees. Got to make some adjustments, put a new spring on Justin's bike before practice. Ethan's got to go through tech. I got to go through tech, set up our pits, and we will see how this one goes. It looks like it's pretty cool. It's like 65 degrees right now, so the weather's pretty awesome.
You ready to go? Be careful, there might be cattle out there.
It is rocky. That was rocky. It's different, completely different than Laughlin, completely different than Cinders. So I feel like it's like Jason's race. There's not a lot of dangers out there. No, there's not a lot of danger markings. There's dangers everywhere. I think the key is going to be stay out of the dust. Yeah. Hopefully Ethan can get us a whole shot. You think you get up or you?
Just give him a minute. Yeah. Take your time, dude.
Yes, hold on, dude.
Take your time.
Hopefully he's just bruised. I'm hoping he didn't dislocate it, but it's really hard ground out here. It's a bummer.
What kind of work do you guys do?
We run a dirt bike shop. But he started a new job this week doing construction, so.
Uh-oh. Well, there goes that.
You'll be back on Monday, man. You know.
We go here, right?
snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake.
I'm done. That was a fun race. It was brutal. Lots of rocks and stuff. It's kind of cool. They all kind of got knocked off the course, but definitely not like the cinders where you're just wide open in cat litter, hitting tree roots. This was a true desert race, and I was able to get 3 laps in. So 18, 36. 54 miles, I'm going to say. Justin got 4, so whatever math that is to make that happen. My brain is potatoes right now. But he's getting close to where we would have to do another lap, so I kind of just told him cruise, just get the finish so we could go to the hospital and see what Princess needs. So I am loading up the truck right now. I'm gonna have everything done except for him and his bike, and that way we could just jump on the road. We are, I think, up to a 10-minute lead right now. So Justin actually just went through the section that takes about 10 minutes, and second place is in the pits right now. So yeah, 10, 11 minutes, close. Just gotta cruise. It's fun. Wish more people showed up to this one. I mean, I don't understand why there was only one other guy in our class, which makes racing kind of boring, but still a fun day. We got one more. We got an SRA next. We got a 5-hour drive home right now. Gotta love dirt bikes. So let's see how Ethan's doing. Alright, update. We picked him up from the hospital. Nothing's broke, nothing's dislocated, just bruising and scabs everywhere. So luckily, we'll be able to race again soon. But that's it.